Sego. Hello everybody, my name is Shuma and welcome to another activity video. Today we'll be creating our very own DIY nature collages. These nature collages are super simple to create, only requiring 3 items: stick and peel, shelf liner, nature items, and a piece of paper. You can also use a marker and be creative and color on the background, but I decided to just keep it plain. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive right in. Before we jump into the activity, let's actually sing a song. A beautiful song that we can sing when we're collecting our nature items. This song is called Autumn Leaves Are Falling Down, because we're going to find some beautiful, colorful leaves when we're outside. So, let's sing this song. Autumn leaves are falling down, red and yellow, orange and brown, turning round and round, down, down, down. Take a rake and rake them up, pile them high up to the sky, jump right in. Autumn leaves are falling down, red and yellow, orange and brown, turning round and round, down, down, down. Take a rake and rake them up, pile them high up to the sky, jump right in. Autumn leaves are falling down, red and yellow, orange and brown, turning round and round, down, down, down. Take a rake and rake them up, pile them high up to the sky, jump right in. Woo! Lovely! Now that we have a song to sing on our walk, let's go outside and find some nature items. Here's a beautiful plant I can use. Oh, look at this nice acorn. And leaves too. Nothing like adding a little poof to your art. And let's add a little color and some flowers to our art as well. And that looks like it should do the trick. Okay, so for when you're putting your nature items on your piece of paper, make sure your nature items are flat. That way, your shelf liner will flatten over it. It won't be too bumpy or ripply. So I collected some leaves, some shells, some flowers, a whole bunch of beautiful nature items that I can place on my white piece of paper, and I know that the shelf liner will not be too ripply when I stick it on top. Just a little heads up though, that you may need an adult supervision or help to cut the peel and stick shelf liner. Also, when you're decorating your collage, you can also add a marker to it. You can draw on the background. I'm just leaving my background blank, but you can decorate it however you like. So let's do this. So I'm going to place it over the edge, and I'm going to roll it like so. And I'm going to flatten everything so it all sticks well. Just like so. And with the remaining edges, you can take your scissors and you can cut the edges off, just like so. Make sure that all the edges are nicely tightly squeezed around so they don't pop out from the corners. And if you leave a little remaining in the corner, you can flip it around and you can secure it a little tighter on the other side of the paper, like so. And there you have it, a beautiful nature collage. All right, thank you so much for joining my activity today. I hope you guys enjoyed this activity as much as I did. And until next time, Bamapi Guabaminwa. See you later, everybody.